Hi everyone and welcome to my course Firebase Hosting Fundamentals. My name is Ervis Trupja and I'm a self-employed web developer and trainer. This course will teach you the fundamentals of Firebase hosting. Some of the major topics that we will cover include deploying to Firebase hosting, connecting to a custom domain, configuring, creating and using cloud functions, and customizing hosting behavior. By the end of this course, you will know enough to take advantage of the amazing features of Firebase hosting as a fast and secure hosting provider for your web applications. You will also have solid fundamentals to dive deeper into other Firebase hosting concepts. Having previous experience with cloud functions is recommended, but it is not required. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn Firebase hosting with the Firebase Hosting Fundamentals course here at Pluralsight.